Hello guys, welcome to my channel with Jar of Talents. In today's video, we are going to look at a very important question of chapter 8, class 9, physics Ncert. By this you might be guessing the chapter name. It's nothing but motion. So here comes our question. Let's read it first. An object starting from rest travels 20 meters in first 2 seconds, 160 meters in next 4 seconds. What will be the velocity after 7 seconds from the start? Let's read the question once again. An object starting from rest travels 20 meters in first and 2 seconds and 160 meters in next 4 seconds. What will be the velocity after 7 seconds from the start? So now let's jump to the answer. So first we'll try to visualize the problem so that it will be easy for us while solving. So in the question we have been given that an object starts from rest and travels 20 meters in first 2 seconds. So let's imagine this as an object, some object. So it started from rest and it travels 20 meters. Okay, it travels 20 meters. In how much time? We have been given the time as 2 seconds, right? So this is our first part of the question, and the second part is that and 160 meters in next 4 seconds. So the same object, it's continuing from this part of velocity. So it is not starting from rest now, it's already in motion, right? So it's continuing in the same motion. So it's still moving forward, and after 160 meters, it's gonna take 4 seconds. So the next 160 meters, it's gonna take 4 seconds. So the thing we should find is what will be the velocity after 7 seconds from the start. So this is the initial or start position. So the question asked us that if the total time period taken is 7 seconds, how much distance would it have traveled? So we are gonna find this now. Okay, so now let's write the details that have been given to us from the question. So we'll write it as given. Okay, first u, that is initial velocity, is 0 seconds because we have been given that it started from rest. So then s, which is nothing but distance, is 20 meters, right? 20 meters is the distance that we have here. And at last we have been given one more value in the first part, that is 2 seconds, which is time. So t is equal to 2 seconds. So from this details, you should think what equation can we use. So what are the 3 equations of motion that we have learned from the chapter? Do you remember it? The first equation is V is equal to U plus AT, and the second equation is UT plus half AT square is equal to S, or S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And we have the last third one, which is V square minus U square is equal to 2as. So these are the three equations of motion that we have learned. So by this, what do you think we can use in this problem? If we see, we can here use the second equation of motion, that is S is equal to ut plus half at square. So the formula that we can use here, we have known now, it is S is equal to ut plus half at square. So now it is very simple for us to solve the next part of the problem, because it's nothing but substituting the values that we have on the left side. So let's start substituting them. So here first is S. So what is S that we have here? It's 20 meters. So let's write it as 20 meters is equal to U. So what is U? It's the initial velocity. So what is the initial velocity that we have here? It's 0 seconds. So 0. And what is the time? We have already known from the question, it's 2 seconds. So I'm just adding the bracket. It's 2 seconds plus half A. So did we find A anywhere in this problem? We didn't find it. So just leave it as it is. We'll write it A as it is, A. And then T square. So what is T here? We have found that T is 2 seconds. So 2 square. So now we'll solve it further. It would be 20 meters is equal to 0 plus half A into 4. So we can cancel them out. 2. And then it would become 20 meters is equal to 2A. Okay. Then A would be nothing but 10 meter per second square. So this is the value that we have got here. What is it, do you think? So it's nothing but the acceleration in the first part of the question, that is in the first 2 seconds of 20 meters. So now let's find the velocity at the end of 2 seconds. So why do we need to find velocity at the end of 2 seconds? We'll find it out further while solving the same question. So we have known the three equations of motion. So here, which equation do you think we can use? It is V is equal to U plus AT.
So we have completed the first part of this question in this video. So you will be having the second part in the next video. So subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of all my latest videos, and like the video, and please share it with your friends so that it will be helpful. And this is Vibgr of Talents. Thank you for watching the video.